Here's how to add transitions for Instagram Reels. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add transitions for Instagram Reels. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just basically open up your Instagram. And once you're inside Instagram, just basically go inside your profile. And once it's inside profile, you get to see two options. So you can just press on both of them, like the plus icon on the bottom and the plus icon on the top corner. So you can just use both of them. So I'm just gonna press on this plus icon on the corner. Once I press on it, I'll be able to see many options, but you just gotta press on reel. Once you press on reel, you'll see many videos from your gallery and everything, but you just gotta press on camera right over here. And once you do this, it'll just bring you to your camera. So I'm just going to record a sequence for the transitions that we're going to make. So here we go. And now we're just going to press next. And then we're just going to press on edit video. Now, whatever we're going to do is just basically press on this eye icon right next to each videos. So if you press on it, here as you can see, it has every transition. So we can just choose the warp one right over here, and then spin, and then for the end we're just gonna do glitch. So if I press play the video, it's just gonna look something like this. So yeah, here we go. This is exactly it on how you can add transition for Instagram Reels. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.